Oh, ito na. Maglakalakan na tayo niya.
Oh my gosh. Rolling na. ASMR. ASMR. ASMR ulit.
Ayun. Makalawa.
Kahit like half lang, it's fine.
So, ayun.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome!
Take 2. Anyway, so, bakit tayo nandito?
Andito tayo dahil
We're
celebrating our 4th anniversary here in beautiful Tagaytay.
Yeah, Tagaytay Studio.
Correct.
Yes.
Bakit nga ba? Kasi may short look back lang tayo when it comes to our anniversary. Like, what is AMT throughout the years? And then in theme with the release date of today's episode kasi ano to Halloween.
Halloween.
All Souls. Kaya tayo. Ako ang mascot nyo ngayon.
So mamaya, discuss natin kung ano yung pag-uusapan natin later since it's Halloween, nakakatakot.
Pero before that, introduce muna.
Oo, introduce mo. Okay.
Makakalimutan na naman natin.
Okay.
Na hindi na naman natin nagawa.
Yeah. Pero this is a special edition
Real.
because ito ay hindi talaga nakaset sa aming topics that we'll be discussing for the entire season.
Yes.
So since it's our anniversary, it's our 4th year here at Tagaytay Studio.
Correct.
So we'll be discussing how did we get here.
How do you come
And
here?
for the 4 years that we're providing services to our community.
Yes.
And what are they gonna expect
Real.
as well? So ayun, my name is A.M. Paheco.
I'm Hazel.
I'm Kat.
I'm Abby.
And welcome to Butikyan! Yun.
Nakalimutan natin.
Kasi, sorry yung last time, yung second episode namin.
Hindi natin nagawa.
So good na rin yun, no? Pero kasi we're having fun.
Technically,
Yes.
Yeah,
nagtutuloy-tuloy na lang siya kasi, kaya nakalimutan natin siya. So, ngayon yun.
Yeah.
Yun natin
Ang
nakalimutan.
dal-dal. Ang dal-dal natin. So anyway, so
Sige,
ayun.
Go. Short story time. Na ano ba nangyari nung first few years ng
Buti
studio?
na lang hindi na-record yung eme ko. So, ayun.
Naman.
Ayun. First year.
First year. Ano nangyari? Ano ba
Balik ka
nangyari?
natin. First year, when I was starting, 2021, this is 2021. So, October ngayon. So, basically, October 27. Actually, 27. This is the exact date. When the first firing was set at AMT Ceramics, Quezon City.
Ooh.
So, meron tayong kiln nun. And then, yun yung Hatsugama. Ayun,
First
lagi
time.
kong sinasabi yung Hatsugama. Bakit Hatsugama? Nasanay kasi ako
Japan.
alam naman natin, I trained in Japan. So, they have this parang kultura, or
First
meron
firing.
silang parang celebration sa first firing. Ang ating kiln kasi ay may lifespan. So, everything na maipapasok doon sa kiln na yun, which is the first firing for the new kiln, is considered as lucky
Unique.
ones. Unique. Tapos, minsan nagpo-provide siya ng basta, parang lucky charm sa Japanese yun. Kasi, it won't happen for the next, for the next 15-20 years. That's the lifespan. Kaya, ang mga wares na makikita niyo sa Japan or mabibili niyo, may tatak yun na Hatsugama.
Ooh.
Dalawa yung tatak na yan. Isang Hatsugama and then the artist,
Yung artist.
stamp. So, collectible
Collector
items to.
siya.
So, collector's item siya. So, ano yan, kapag may nakita kayo, syempre, hindi naman tayo makakabasa, pero sometimes we have friends
You can
naman
identify.
that you can identify,
Nice.
this came from Hatsugama.
Okay.
So yun, it's rare.
Oo.
Rare siya na
So,
na
would
piece.
you say talaga yung first firing nung studio, yun yung first day din ng studio?
Yes.
Like, that's the birth
Yes.
of...
That's the birth. Kaya
Okay,
siya
studio.
naging anniversary. Parang, I want that na ma-remember ko how it happened. So, on my first year, ano ba nangyari yung first year?
Yun,
Ayun.
nag-live kayo na
Oo.
nag-raffle.
Nung inopen kasi yung studio, hindi pa yun talaga publicly na inopen ko. Kasi I started putting myself out there to provide services at my home studio, which is now our
QC
studio.
Quezon
Yeah.
studio. Ano to? April. One-on-one lang yun, one-man band. Yeah, parang ganun. And then, eventually, lumaki. On our first year as far as I could remember, ayun nga, yung story ko kanina,
Oo.
dapat meron akong host nun.
Oo.
Pero live ko kasi siya
Co-host.
gagawin. Co-host sa Facebook at saka sa
Instagram.
IG.
Yeah.
Pero hindi siya nangyari. Buti na lang nag-work yung IG.
Yeah.
Tapos, yung host na dapat kasama ko doon had an emergency. Kasi mag-provide kami ng, may raffle kasi. Yun. Which is, ang mapapanalunan nun is yung kit natin.
Oo.
The best kit,
yung
the painting
kit.
The painting kit.
Yes.
We have that ever since. The plate at saka
Mug.
the mug. Kasi, this kit was used namin ni Amos on my first ever workshop collaboration.
Shout out.
Online. Online to. Yung mandala plate painting.
Yes.
Tapos, si Amos ang kasama ko dito. Hi, Amos. Amos Manlangit, BFF ko. Nasa US siya ngayon. Hi. Ano siya, scholar siya ng Fulbright. He's doing his PhD sa University of Georgia. So anyway, hintayin ko pagbalik mo. Next year na yun.
Ooh.
So, patapos na siya. Yeah.
Congrats.
Good luck to your dissertation. Anyway, so ayun. And
That's
then,
the first year.
second year, ano nangyari yung second year?
Oh,
Ayun,
wait.
simple lang din
Isa
naman
bis-
yun. Oh.
Ano lang, segue.
Sige,
Next
go.
month, in November, we're gonna
Ah,
have our workshop.
yeah.
Go, yes.
Oo.
Our BGC workshop. Kasi yun nga, pagbabalik nung Bisquare painting. Like, para sa mga people who just don't wanna create but they want to have a personal touch on their
Yes,
ceramic
yes.
pieces. You can actually paint on your pieces na ready na siya, and then we'll just fire it, and then we'll, yun, you can use it after na. Yun.
Siguro
so that's
sa...
gonna be when?
That's
Yeah, it's
gonna
gonna
be
be in
on November
November
22,
22,
23 at the BGC Art Mart Workshop. See you
BGC
there.
Art Center. Yeah. So, ayun, we'll discuss all of the projects and initiatives that we'll be launching.
Yes.
At saka, we just recently launched.
Yes.
So, at least maintindihan nila, ano ba to? Nasa invites natin to, we have a few initiatives na currently running and will be launched anytime soon.
Yes.
So, ayun, planchado na siya. So, we'll discuss it on our third segment.
Yeah, later.
So, later.
Sa mga
So, anyway,
plug segments.
so yun, second
year.
nag-career na tayo ng, my first executive assistant. Si Viv. Hi, Viv.
Shout out to
She's
Viv.
the first ever executive assistant ng AMT Ceramics. And then, Kay came.
Studio apprentice. Hi, Kay.
The first
Kapita.
studio apprentice, si Kay.
Yes.
And then, lumaki na nang lumaki. So, nagkaroon na
Correct.
tayo ng isang buong team.
Correct.
And then, on our third,
Nag-host tayo ng talks.
ng talks. So, mas malaki na yung team nito on our third year. Parang
Yes.
not rebrand. Parang change ulit tayo ng system to cater yung mas malaking audience.
Yeah.
So, ayun, we had a talk.
Yes.
We had a talk. Nandito nandyan si Jezel, si Marco, at saka si
Si
Ella.
Woo.
If you want to watch
Shout
that,
out.
it's still in our reels. Please go back a year from now.
Sa IG Live,
Yes,
I think.
mapapanood yun. Madami kayong matututunan doon sa talk na yan.
Real.
So, ayun, then, doon din nangyari yung first talaga na official na blessing ng
ng
studio. Tapos, yeah, it was really very intimate na yung community na build natin.
Lahat ng Potter
Yeah,
friends
Potter
nandun, may
friends.
latag table,
May pot exchange.
may pot
Yeah.
exchange na nangyari, which is nakakatuwa. Ayun, tsaka doon natin nalaman na hindi lang din pala yung iisa lang yung patutunguhan ng pottery.
Yes.
Kasi ayun, Ella she's the perfect person to ask if you want to get a start with exhibiting gallery shows, ganyan. Marco is the perfect person to ask din naman for production works and big works.
Mass production.
Mass production talaga. And then finally, si Jezel would be a perfect person to ask then if you want to go through teaching, academe, when it comes to pottery. So yun, perfect
yun.
siya na natin.
Balikan niyo siya. Madami kayong matutunan doon ng Patevsen. So, ayun. That's our third. Tapos ngayon, fourth, nakita niyo lahat ng table natin. Pagkain.
Pero na-check yung latag table din banda dyan
So, yun.
sa ating.
Kung napapansin niyo, dahil natin food ngayon, ito ay ito pa lang, pero ang dami doon. Ang dami pa doon.
Ang dami pa
So,
Real.
ayun.
Take it to Sel. Hi, Sel.
Yeah, Sel. Yeah.
Shout out sa...
Anyway, ayun. Ito ay naging ano na natin, tradition.
Yes.
So, kasi every year,
Potluck.
parang nagpa-potluck tayo to have a community dinner.
Correct.
So ayun. Yeah, and we are still continuing doing it.
This tradition of
sharing.
sharing, bringing
our, you know, I don't
info,
know,
knowledge.
abundance,
Yeah.
info, knowledge, chika.
Chika.
Ayun.
Oh my God.
Yep. So, alam niyo naman mga Potters, di ba?
Oo.
We are kung waring introvert, pero, I mean, pag sama-samang introvert, di na siya introvert.
Introvert.
Di ba?
It's a group of
Pero kapag lumabas na tayo, di ba?
Correct.
Pag lumabas na tayo,
Like, suddenly quiet na
Pero
naman
kapag
tayo.
sama-sama,
Oo,
parang
maingay-ingay
hindi na-
tayo. Sobrang
Yeah.
ingay natin.
So, ayun. So, on our next segment,
Mm.
we'll be inviting some of our visitors
Friends.
here that came here
With us.
sa our Tagaytay studio. Tapos, aside from sharing these food, yung, of course, meron naman tayong mga product and services, yung ano yung experience nila right after learning from our full course, single
Oo.
session.
Yeah.
Kasi, ang ating topic ngayon is yung mga nakakatakot.
Something scary.
Something scary.
Well, not really
But, yeah.
scary. Kaya nga tayo...
Right after yung parang
Oo.
hayaan na sila
Oo.
natin sila.
Kasi after the workshop, parang okay, now what?
Oo.
Ganon sila
Oo,
parang,
parang-
okay, what's the next challenge that
Oo.
I'll face
Oo.
when I'm done learning? Diba?
Yep. After that, yeah, yung experiences nila,
Correct.
aside from that is how do we handle difficult customers or how do
Difficult
we deal
situations.
certain situation when we are doing our commission work
True.
or providing services as well as studio managers
True.
Yes.
and instructors.
Yeah. Kasi I believe ang dapat nakaschedule talaga for episode 3 is hand building.
Yes.
Pero we'll talk about that down the line.
Ah.
In theme lang din talaga when this airs. Like ayun. Happy Halloween. And
Yeah, November 1.
November 1.
Yeah, November 1 to.
Tsaka
Same
ingat,
time.
ingat sa mga biyahe-biyahe kasi I know
Yes,
Udas.
yes.
Ingat kayo dyan, wherever you are listening or watching.
Yeah. All right.
Segment 2.
So okay, segment 2.
After this, we'll take a
Okay.
short break.
So get back to you.
Okay. Go break.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Tagal na kayo na ano dyan.
Oh, ayan. Welcome to our second segment. Yeah. Yeah. And, if you can see, naging 5 po kami. From 4. Diba? At tumatalsik talaga yung laway.
Oh my God.
Wala pa
So,
naman.
Wala naman.
So, ayun. So, sino yung ating guest
Ating bagong
for today?
hatsa.
Bagong
Yan.
ating, ano,
Yan.
ang na-convert. Conversion.
Welcome. And we'd like to welcome Eunice. Ang ating isa sa mga recent students natin from the studio. So, ayun. Isa siyang MC, host. Ayan. Syempre, ibida ka natin. Ayan. Tapos, pottery enthusiast na talagang like she's asking all the questions. Kaya yun ang napusuan natin about Eunice. Sobrang lahat ng questions tinatanong niya sa amin. So like,
Yan. Tsaka mas okay yun na nagtatanong kayo kasi hindi kami manghula. Yes, hindi kami nanghula. Yan siguro yung isa sa mga ano natin, challenges when we are teaching, right?
true.
Yes.
Since ang lahat ng kasama ko dito instructors, tapos si Eunice, one of our students, then
Yes.
from full course handbuilding. So,
Yes.
yes, it helps a lot
If you
sa aming
If you
mga
ask the
instructors
questions.
if you ask questions.
Real.
Kasi hindi namin nababasa yung utak nyo. Yes, wala kami ganun superpowers. So,
Ayun.
you have to let us know.
Ang isa sa mga gusto namin itanong sa'yo, Eunice, is, yun, what are the challenges or what are the scary things that you're encountering now that you finished yung full course mo ng hand building? Is there anything that you find challenging? What's the next step? Ganun.
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Yeah! Miss Universe! Pressure ka namin.
Kanina kasi nasa backstage si Eunice, so like, I'm like,
Actually, itong podcast na to is wala sa plano.
Wala talaga.
since,
Nakakap lang.
since Kami ay inaantok dahil sa ambience. Malamig. At sa, very relaxing.
Correct.
Kailangan namin gumawa ng something na
Mag-buhay.
Boo!
Correct.
Yes.
Boosh.
Boosh. So, ayun.
Go.
Siguro,
Sige.
eto walang halong eme to
Okay.
Parang nung nag-jump kasi ako sa pottery, before, sobrang takot ako sa lahat. Like,
Oo.
kasi unknown di ba? Para
Right.
sa akin, bago talaga yung pottery. Na-try ko siya before. Pero, yun nga, ang dami kong question.
Oh, yes.
So, nung nag-join ako sa AMT studio, ang fear ko noon actually is, sana mag-drive. Parang, alam mo yon na ma-feel ko na welcome ako.
Dun sa space?
Yes. So, siguro, yun yung before. Mas yun siya. Yun nga, sabi ko, walang eme. Nung nag-join ako at natapos ko yung full course, sobrang na-feel at home ako. Parang feeling ko, parang I'm one of you guys. Wow. Feeling.
Yes.
Kaya yung fear for me, ngayon na mag-jump ako, syempre tapos na, di ba? Syempre namimiss ko din yung parang meron akong weekly thing na pupunta ako sa studio. So, hindi na ako masyadong sobrang takot in a sense kasi na-prep nyo ako.
Thank you.
Like yung 8 sessions
Yes.
nung hand building course. Sobrang na-prepare nyo ako. Kasi legit guys, nung nag-join ako, lahat ng tanong ko in-entertain nila.
Yes.
And one of the things sobra din na na-appreciate ko, di ba nung sabi mo, itry ko sa house?
Oo.
So, syempre, ang kinakatakot ko talaga yung crack. At na-realize ko talaga, sabi ko nga nakaka-humble po talaga yung play. Kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-force. Tapos, each stage, nakakatakot siya in a sense. Kasi parang,
Try ka ba ng tama?
oo di ba, magdadry. Tapos, ang daming dadaanan. Tapos, hanggang sa pagpa-fire, parang hindi ka pwedeng chumilax na, ay, sure na ako dyan na perfect yung lalabas. Hindi talaga. So, nakaka-humble siya. Kailangan mo magpakumbaba. Isa pa yan, magpa-attach, ganyan.
Ayun, yung full course natin, si Hazel. Ang nagtuturo po ng full course ng ating hand building is si Hazel.
Sometimes.
Ako, si Abby. Kat will be joining our hand building too, as well, soon. Nagtuturo na rin siya ng, nagturo ka na ng, Oo, nagturo ka na ng both. Pati full course, right?
Yes.
Yes, oo.
So
yeah,
na tayo
lahat kami dito ay nagtuturo ng full course. Pero na-try mo na rin yung single session ng wheel throwing, right? Yeah. So yan, itong mga studio managers natin ay magagaling.
Yes.
So kaya pag pumunta kayo ng studio, asahin nyo talagang kung ano yung siguro na sa isip nyo na tanungin na even out of this world, wala ka naman kasing maling tanong.
True.
You just have to ask them nicely
Yeah.
na, okay, this is what I want. This is what I'm expecting. Or not really expecting, this is my expectation when it comes to ano. So sabihin naman nila if it is visible or not.
The principle there is will give you the core expectation na binigay mo rin based sa situation na binigay mo sa amin.
Yeah.
Parang ganun. So, if you're gonna give us an out of this world request, I would say, out of this world din yung mabibigay namin sa inyo na expectation. So, yun. I mean, that's just the equivalent, I don't know, kung nagbigay kayo na
Or will be talagang straightforward that it cannot happen.
It cannot be done.
It cannot be done.
Or
Meron kasing,
their expectations.
we manage
Yun.
their expectations.
I guess, yun din, in the topic of fears, kasi na-mention yun ni Eunice na parang huwag ka ma-attach, even sa firing, bawal ka relax. Ayun, kasi even when drying, katulad nitong nakikita niyong things above us, dried na sila, but if you look at the bottom, sometimes suddenly may crack.
May crack.
And those are the things that you
Hairline
cannot
cracks.
control, as in, hindi mo siya makakontrol. It's up to the temperature, it's up to the air around you, yun. So parang...
Handling also.
Handling!
Yes.
Oo.
Because it clay has memory, and sometimes if you touch it a lot, move it a lot, ayan.
Oo. Yes.
Crack.
Yeah, naalala ko, sabi ko, ay, madaming question to si Eunice, tatawagan mo to. Sabi niya, paano po yung, kasi...
Nag-crack.
Nag-crack.
I was about to say, pangalawa yun, sana appreciate ko sa team nila. Like, di ba, parang nasa bahay na ako, no? Wala naman ako sa studio, but still, in-entertain. Nagbaka sakali lang ako. Medyo nang kinakabahan din ako, sagutin kaya nila yung tanong ko.
Actually, gaganon kami talaga.
Really?
We
Sobrang
reach out to
appreciate
our
ko.
students.
So, nung nag-message ako na may pag-asa pa ba yung crack nito,
Meron yan.
tumawag siya. Tapos actually, yung husband ko, na-appreciate din niya yun. Kasi
Ay,
sabi,
wow,
sino
thank you.
kausap mo? Ang haba ng usap niyo. Sabi ko, love kasi nag-crack yung piece ko. Sabi ko ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, talaga? Buti ina-entertain pa rin nila. Sabi ko, oo nga no. Hindi ko alam kung lahat ba ganun. Pero, guys, legit talaga.
Wow.
They know what
Oh
they
my
do and also they love what they do.
Wow, thank you.
That's
Thank
one
you.
thing also na na-appreciate ko.
So, ayun, ano namin yun, normal namin yun.
Oo.
We actually, call our students, or if hindi kaya talagang mag-call, talaga nag-reply kami kasi we really value the time that you guys spend with us. And it's not only energy, it's also money,
Yeah.
effort. Ano yun eh, kasi nagdaan kami dyan.
Oo,
When we were
knowledge nyo
students.
rin.
Oo. Even nung nag-aaral tayo ng pottery.
Like,
And,
the feeling of
you
you
know,
being in the dark na ano na yung gagawin ko.
ano yung
Like,
gagawin ko
oh my
next?
gosh.
So, ano
You've
ba to?
spent like a lot of energy and time na nagsasculpt ka.
Yeah.
Tapos may isang maliit lang na crack doon.
Yeah.
Like, what will you do?
Oo.
Diba? So parang, yun, ngayon,
Yeah.
part din namin yung mga ano na yun.
Kasi
sa mga
isipin mo, for
students
example,
natin.
oh my God, pang third day ko na to, tapos mag-a-attach ako ng isang design, tapos nag-crack siya.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung ganun, parang, nakakapagod na to ulitin
Oo,
ulit.
oo.
So, something to that effect.
True.
But yes, we really care with our students. Ganun, sila kaalaga kami, kaalaga din. And hopefully, with the students that, we touch with,
Get in touch.
with pottery. Sana maasa din nila.
Oo.
Ayan.
True. Kasi mahirap yung parang you answered something, tas it's not the most accurate, manganganak siya ng manganganak ng other misinformation.
True. Yun yung sinasabi ko rin sa team,
Which
sa
is,
management team, or even to our student managers that when we pass on
Yeah.
a certain information, we are not actually claiming that we are actually right. Kasi walang right or wrong sa
You can
pottery.
test it.
But with years of experience and creating, malalaman naman natin eventually ano yung best practices,
True,
what is the most efficient way,
True.
effective way to do it. And we want that to impart with you guys. So, ayun, kasi sayang pera siya,
Effort
energy
nyo.
siya, effort siya. Yeah. And ayaw namin na masayang din yun.
Oo,
Sa
true.
inyo.
Tsaka
Kasi babalik at
na-mention-
babalik sila sa atin
Oo. Na-mention na rin to before yun nila Jezel, nila Marco, nila Ella. Ayan, wag tayong, maging, hello, hi Boya. Dito na lang ako salita. Ayan, kasi yun, parang it's our responsibility na magpasa ng correct information para yun din, right expectations
Yes,
ng people.
and most importantly, I have to say this. We are a rebirth. We are a rebirth of pottery. It's like Renaissance. So, we are creating a certain culture. And kapag kasi nag-create tayo ng isang kultura na came from not so good,
Rocky
I don't want to
grounds.
say negative, ay parang medyo hindi maganda yung feeling, mabigat sa pakiramdam. Parang yun yung madadali natin kasi pag tumagal. And yan ano mapapasa at mapapasa natin. Kaya when I started the studio, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na I want to build and I want to share this kind of siguro knowledge, mindset of being optimistic, hopeful, helpful, and supportive community. So, ito yung perfect time for us to strengthen what we are starting. Or kung ano yung pinagsimulan natin. And I'm very much happy na ito na tayo ngayon. Na
True.
ginagawa na natin siya ngayon. Ang dami ng pottery studio.
Correct.
And it's very helpful community.
Yes.
Tapos ngayon, tingnan mo, ang laki-laki na rin natin ang community na natin,
Oh.
na natatouch natin. And we are still here.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yun yung sana yung mga hindi nakapunta dito ng mga estudyante natin or magiging student pa rin namin or even firing services na mapoprovide namin, sana i-share natin to in a very positive mindset na nagtutulungan tayo.
True.
So,
Yeah.
yun. Yun lang naman.
Nice.
So, ayun.
Very good.
Okay na tayo. So, ayun. Well, thank you, Eunice,
Correct.
for driving all the way from
Thank you, Dad.
San
Salamat
Mateo,
sa
right?
pag-discuss.
Alay-lay.
Oh my God.
Pero nandito siya sa Tagaytay with the erupting Taal.
Kaya,
Pero,
reverse
Ayun.
na reverse.
ayun, thank you. Thank you for
Thank
joining
you,
us
Dad.
today.
Thank you.
And sa mga hindi makasama ngayon dito sa front ng camera, thank you na nag-spend ng time with us tonight.
Correct.
Today, yeah. Hanggang mamaya pa kami Pero kasi, hindi naman tayo naka-live ngayon.
Hindi naman,
So,
nagdadaldal
natin sa
lang din
mga
tayo
invited
here.
away. Pero pwede naman siyang story ngayon. Di ba? So, ayun.
We're gonna
We're
go
good?
to our next
Ah.
segment in a bit. Take a break lang tayo ng konti and then we'll be back.
Thank you, Eunice.
Thank you, thank
Oy,
you.
Host si Eunice
Oh my
sa mga
gosh,
events,
yes.
mga corporate
Wow,
events. So,
thank
oy, meron ka bang show? Wow, show? Or mga, other
Correct.
things,
Where-
stuff na
I
ginagawa mo.
just show up. Where can we follow you?
Yeah, okay yun.
Studio, I show up. Bigla-bigla support. But thank you for promoting. Real.
Yeah. So, ayun. Salamat. Ayun.
Thank you.
Alright, we'll get back to you on our third segment. Anong pag-uusapan natin sa third segment?
Tayo naman na mag-share ng ating mga
Oo.
difficulties and scary
Yeah.
stories. and
Challenges, handling our clients,
Correct.
customers, or even
Situations in the
situations na
studio.
medyo unusual, may mga ganun, and dealing with it.
Yeah.
Even when we are accepting siguro projects.
Correct. Like,
How do we
what's the
proceed?
criteria?
Commission work,
Yeah.
or even, yung talagang studio services din na pinaprovide natin sa
Yeah.
So, ayun. We'll get back to you on our
See you in a bit.
Alright, see you. Okay, so we're back on our third segment before we end this.
Correct.
Ano ba ang reason yung ayun natin?
Sige.
Nagutom kayo. Anong i-discuss natin?
Ang ating next question dyan is, so kung tayo ay nagtanong kay Eunice about what's scary or ano yung next na challenge niya, tayo rin, ano ba yung mga challenges natin daily sa studio or yung studio life? Like, is it handling customers? How do we accept commission works? Ano ba yung mga criteria na yan? Yun. So, how about you guys? Kayo naman ang, i-direct ko yung questions sa inyo naman.
Siguro ganito.
Sige.
Share tayo. Very quick lang. Ano yung mga experience natin? Like, for Abby, meron ba siyang diba? Ako, ikaw, si Hazel. So, una siguro si Abby. Ikaw muna.
Siguro sa studio, not really on the daily, pero we have to be careful of kila JR and
My God!
Yun ang scary.
we're trying
Yeah.
to protect
Yeah.
students' work.
Correct.
Like, kino-cover na namin yung shelves. Kasi they're very active.
The way their pots are the studio cats.
Studio cats.
Yes.
If kayo na
Studio cats.
if hindi nyo na-catch yung previous episodes namin, sila yung studio cats ng QC Studio.
Ng QC Studio.
Kasi dito si
Si Pepper.
So,
So, ayun.
Oo.
Yeah,
kasi
yeah.
may instances na po na nasira.
Oo, madami
Si JR,
sila.
di ba? Yung works of students.
Sobrang dami.
Pero this is not usual naman.
Yes,
Rare lang
not-
to mangyari.
yes,
Siguro
not all
kapag
the time
nag-threaten
naman.
sila or something to that effect.
Nagzo-zoomies sila, ganun.
Kasi, sa history ng AMT Ceramics, for 4 years that we are running the studio, very rare kaming makabasa. Kami.
Bilang mo nga lang sa kamay.
Bilang na bilang. Parang talagang siguro maliit na maliit, pero maayos na din. Pero once kasi yung mga cats na talaga yung nakabasag, or even not our studio cats, yung talagang merong unexpected na mga forces that could actually break some of our pieces. Kaya from the workshop pa lang, sinasabi na natin na once you've created something out from clay, hindi yan tapos until lumabas siya ng kiln.
Correct.
Kasi
Kaya wag
process
ma-attach.
pa rin siya.
After the last.
Yes, after the last process. Kasi dami pa niyang pagdadaanan. So, yun yung laging dinidiscuss natin, di ba? Kasi baka meron kasing minsan, ito let's be honest, meron tayong mga workshops na they thought na kapag naka-create na sila is, yun yung ma-receive nila.
Yes.
No, it doesn't work that way. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang art or ibang kind of service that once you've created it and it's done, yun na yun. No.
Yeah.
There are a lot of processes that will, go through, mag-go through pa yun, before siya matawag na ceramics. So, ayun, ngayon pa lang sinasabi namin sa inyo, yes, we take good care of your pieces, kaya talagang maingat kami right after creating sa workshop na, lalo na pag offsite, we travel it talaga ng maayos yung packaging until it reached to the studio. And once it reached to the studio, it will be properly, stacked or
Put on shelves.
kept on our shelves and have the drying. The proper drying, proper loading, proper unloading, firing. So yan ang mga processes na pagdadaanin niya.
Kaya yun din yung nabigay naming expectations before. As we mentioned na parang, ayun, bibigyan namin kayo ng expectations na tama. Like, let's say if your work is, yung design talaga is thick, ano yung i-expect mo? Yung design mo talaga for your work is thin, what do you expect?
Matututunan niyo naman ulit sa nadidiscuss to natin ng mga instructors.
Yes.
Paano natin maiiwasan to?
Yes.
Paano mas magiging maayos yung ating trabaho until para mag-reach siya to the last stage. So, yun yung matututunan nyo to save time, to save money, to save effort.
True. And of course, we want the best for everyone din naman. Like, we're trying to set you up for the good or the positive outcome.
Correct. So, eto pa. Recently, I just posted our studio and workshop policies. Meron po tayo niyan ever since that we started or I opened the studio. So, meron kasi kayong is-assign on paper, black and white, before you proceed.
True.
Yeah, with the workshop.
With the workshop. Kasi wala pa nun kaming sign up through the to the website on our first year. So, everything is manual.
Yeah.
But we keep these agreement forms before proceeding sa workshop. Kung wala kayong signature, hindi kami mag-proceed.
Yeah, I think that's the first and foremost expectation setting natin sa workshop.
Yes. Yun. At nadidiscuss din natin to. For those workshops naman or students that signed up through our website, meron po tayong terms of service. Just to let them know. Dun sa pinaka homepage po natin, at the bottom part of the page, meron pong maliit doon na terms of service. Kung ako lang ang nag-design talaga or gumagawa ng app na to from, Shopify or other platform. Kasi our website is being ran by or powered by Shopify. The terms of service is napakaliit doon sa pinakababa. So dito nakalagay yung terms and condition. So you can click there and then you can read through it. Updated po ang website natin. All of our transactions, most of the time, or 90% of our transactions go to our website. Even payment. We do not actually process cash payment. Very rare tayo mag-process ng cash payment on site. Everything goes through our portal, our website. So, yes, when you sign up or avail any of the services through our website, nakapaloob na dun po yung ating terms of service.
Yes.
So yun, you can click it, yun, yung sinabi ko nga, dun sa pinakababa din, you can go through it. Meron din naman tayong mga FAQs to our website if you have it talagang paano pupunta, how much.
And feel free to message na lang if you have questions.
Na specific dun sa situation.
Yes,
Wala
correct.
sa FAQs, ganun.
Kasi ang ating workshop is talagang customized. So, ayun. Mag-break muna tayo.
Sige. In the next segment kami naman ni Kat yung magsasabi ng ating stories.
Okay. So, ayun. Alright.
Bye! In a bit.
Okay. So, we're back to continuation natin. So, the challenges that we face as instructors or providing services to our clients sa ating studio. And then, ito is yung, na-discuss naman natin kanina, going back, for the terms of service or, terms of conditions that can be found to our website.
Yes.
ampceramics.com. So, ang ating ang ating website ay napaka-efficient. So, anything that you want to learn about AMT Ceramics, the services that we provide, andun. Madami kayong information na makukuha doon. So, the podcast episodes are uploaded there. We have articles that, currently na gagawin or initiatives ng, AMT Ceramics. You could actually message us if you'd like to be featured. Or tap nyo lang kami, Alfred, meron kaming event for this one and we need help to promote it. So basically the website has it. We have the articles, we have the podcast, and these platforms na ginagawa namin, free to ha. Wala siyang bayad. Wala siyang bayad. You just have to let us know.
Yeah.
So we're doing this conveying or providing information to our viewers and students, clients, for free. Yeah, just let us know. We'll be happy to help. Ito ay galing talaga sa puso. Yeah, it came from all of our efforts, energy, heart, and passion. So something like that. Yeah.
And feel free to message us lang if you have additional
Yes,
questions.
True.
Ayun, so mabilis sumagot ang nag-handle ng social media namin. Si Ivy, ayun naman, si Ivy.
Nasa likod ng camera ngayon.
Saka kung ang concern naman is yung talagang student ni Hazel, student ni Kat, student ni Abby.
We will handle them personally.
Yeah.
Parang we do our best na tayo mismo yung sumasagot if natapat kayo sa amin.
So ayun, so ano na nga?
Kami naman. Kasi kanina you've heard the answers of Abby and you've heard the answers of Alfred. So ano ba yung sa atin, Kat? Parang ano ba yung difficulty or challenge or kinakatakot natin kapag nasa studio, ganyan. In line with the Halloween season. The spooky season.
I think it's also same sa mga steps. Yung pag nakita mo yung pie crack, yung mga works.
Just breaks your heart eh.
Oo, kasi kahit sabihin natin, wag bawal ma-attach. May konting attachment pa rin eh. Diba? Slight pa rin.
Hindi mo siya fully mawawala.
True, that's true. Ayun, pero over time, when you do it regularly, eventually you'll have that, skill to detach.
Yes.
And you can apply it sa life niyo.
Kasi you have the confidence na at that point, I believe na you're able to make it again.
Yes.
With talagang say it with your chest, okay, kaya ko naman siya ulitin ulit. Sige.
Oo, and then baka mamaya konti mas maganda pa nagawa.
True,
Exactly.
actually.
Diba?
True.
Oo, totoo yan.
Kasi parang naging practice mo yung nasira.
So, accept mo, okay, practice ko lang pala to. Tapos naman, wait, what can I do to make it better?
Yes.
Real. Parang make it exist first. Kung pangit man yung kinalabasan niya, make it better the next time. Parang ganun. Yeah. Nga mga life lessons.
Pero ito, ano yun natin, pag-usapan natin yung, did we encounter, parang we feel obliged to do it? Pressure to do it when it comes to providing services?
For sure.
Yeah.
Kasi every time na ako naman, hindi naman siya fear per se or challenge. Kasi every time that I teach, parang I put a teacher mode on. Parang, okay, ready to answer questions, ready to, whatever the student throws at me, okay, ganyan. Yun yung, hindi ko siya fear, pero it is something that I have to put on, like a costume, na para siya kasi performance art when you teach. Parang kailangan, you have to be in that certain level or certain energy that, you have to catch their attention. Lalo na ngayon, yung mga bata ngayon, mahina, or hindi naman, short span. Yung attention span nila. So we need to have, or we have to work on, or parang kailangan talaga natin mag-exert pa ng effort para makuha natin yung attention nila. Correct.
So yun yung mga roles natin, isa sa mga roles natin ng mga instructors as well.
True, ayun. Tsaka yun, parang maging ready kasi ayoko nang binubulaga ako, Even though I love the spooky season, ayoko nang surprises. So like, sabihan nyo kami, ganyan. Like, if may questions kayo, parang okay, inabot ito ganyan. Ready tayo ganyan.
True.
Yun. Kaya,
speaking of surprises, ayun, again, we would like to inform you, nasa ating website, na we do not allow walk-ins.
Yes.
Kasi po, ang studio natin is nasa loob ng subdivision. Yes, at saka wala po talagang bakod yung subdivision ng, ng AMT. So, of course, we value as well our safety.
Yes.
Ayun. Kaya meron agency Ivy to answer or to schedule your visits, even if it's visits. So, we really appreciate if you get in touch with us prior visiting to the studio.
Correct.
Para at least naman, we are ready to, to face you and to accommodate you. Kasi sometimes, since yun nga, ang ating workshops are designed for a one-on-one or 4:1 sa handling. Maximum. Talagang very private yung approach natin. Very personal. So, of course, if you are there naman, bigla may dumating na you're not expecting, of course.
If you're not ready for
so, talagang bulaga. Nabibigla ka. Meron pa ba tayong mga ibang experiences? Handling the studio?
Anything else?
Anything else?
Baka meron ka pang
Yeah, even if not in the studio. I mean, handling some challenges as a potter, as an artist, as an individual.
Naranasan ko lang. It's like, na-experience ko hindi ako comfortable sa may mga ibang students who are like, yung approach sa'yo na hindi ka nagiging comfortable. So, syempre, ang priority mo is yourself.
Yes.
So, huwag mo pilitin. Kung hindi ka comfortable, maybe find help.
Yes,
Sa mga kasama mo. Diba?
Correct.
Para at least, kasi kapag pinilit mo, parang safety talaga.
Yeah. At saka hindi mo rin naman mabibigay yung best mo. Or teaching.
True.
Diba?
Oo.
Paano mo sila may impartan ng knowledge if ikaw yourself,
if you feel
cannot.
threatened or something to that effect, parang na-cross na yung line ng boundaries that we are doing our best to set.
Correct. Yun na palagi sinasabi sa atin ni Alfred, yun yung kapag you feel overwhelmed, you can step back a little bit.
Step
back. Tapos pag okay ka na, you can dive back in.
Then you can engage again.
Ganun.
Ayun. Yeah. Ano pa ba? Meron pa? Ikaw, Hazel.
Ano pa ba? I think yun lang, yung dawning on the teacher mode, tas performance talaga siya. And some days, there are off days talaga na hindi ko magawa yung teacher mode na best ko. And then at those days, thankful din naman ako, super, kasi yung students are very understandable, na iniintindi din nila na tao rin kayo, tao rin ako, parang gano'n. Ayun, and on that end, parang at least, parang pabaliktad naman on the student's point of view. You come in ready to learn, ready to ask questions, ready to receive information. Yun, mga ganun. Like, it's just a give and take.
Yeah, that is correct. Hindi naman kasi lahat ng, of course, na matututunan natin from the studio, it can be used, or it can be used. Kasi nasa sa atin pa rin yung preference natin, how we learn, our learning progress, how, even yung span, yung learning curve. Kasi hindi yan matututunan in just 24 hours or just few hours.
Some people get it fast, some people get it in a long period of time. Tapos doon pala mag-click, parang same.
So ayun, meron pa pala akong i-discuss. This is a bit sensitive na topic, but you want to discuss it in a very professional way, in a very professional manner, even using this platform to do it. Again, doon naman sa atin talagang purpose why we created this podcast is to discuss our lives, daily lives, or yung mga, not really daily lives ng personal, I mean, we potters, we do on our daily lives, I mean, issues that we encounter para at least aware din yung listeners natin, yung viewers natin. So, ito, dun sa ating terms and conditions kasi, dun sa terms of service, meron dong cluster na we promote diversity and inclusion.
Yes.
So, alright,
Include mo yun
since nandun na siya, and it's safe space to create. So, ayun, if ever that we reach to a certain point that, tao rin lang naman kami, sabi ni Hazel, there are some, boundaries that we set up to what extent that we are willing to give. And yes, meron tayong mga different kinds of persons, personalities, na dun sa, sometimes that we're really not suitable to handle.
Yes.
So there are, for example, PWDs or some siguro psychosocial disabilities. We are not certified to handle those kinds of things.
Yes.
So if we think, sometimes naman you don't need, as a student siguro, hindi ka naman rin comfortable na sabihin na I disclose ko to, I have this kind of, of condition. Hindi mo naman pwedeng i-ask yun right away,
Right away,
and
yes.
you cannot provide the service.
Yeah.
Eventually din naman, makikita rin naman natin, as instructors na, okay, up to this extent, ang paling kaya ko matulong. Siguro, with this kind of sigurong instance, talagang we prioritize our safety.
Yes.
Or everyone's safety, even not us, even also the students.
Yeah.
Kasi kung hindi naman talaga kami certified to handle these kinds of stuff, why do we need to proceed or engage? So, don't get us wrong when we discontinue a certain service that we did our best to extend our efforts, extra mile, extra mile. Actually, yun yung ng team. We always give chances.
Tsaka benefit of the doubt naman palagi tayo. Like, ayun, we treat you na parang kami rin is nasa shoes mo. Kasi nagaling din naman tayo doon na.
Correct. Yeah, na hindi ibig sabihin na we provide the service is you have this privilege to do whatever you want. Tao rin po kami. So, something, peace. So, yeah, ano lang naman, respect lang. Respect din lang yung yung sigurong bottom
line.
Yung bottom line. Magbigayo lang tayo. If hindi talaga kaya, hanggang doon lang talaga yung kaya namin ma-provide.
Sure.
So, ayun. And talagang before we come up to a certain decision, talagang pinag-uusapan namin yun ng team. Parang kaya pa ba natin? Ito ba yung dapat na approach na natin i-take? We are very mindful and objective yung pag-decision namin na both parties will, makikinabang naman.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Meron pa ba tayong i-discuss?
I think that's it for me.
Yeah, that's it.
So, I think yun din naman.
Yeah.
Wow! Ang ating 4th anniversary. Napunta sa podcast.
We
Ang
got-
Hold Up Podcast.
We got over the scary parts. Ayan.
Tapos may mga nakidnap pa tayo.
Thank you
So, ayun,
for namin dyan.
So, ayun. Meron pa ba tayong gustong pasalamatan? Or
Vlog. Yung ating upcoming
ayun! Pala!
stuff.
Yeah.
Events.
Yeah.
Masyado malakas? Ayun. Lakas kasi ng boses ko. Shh. Okay. Ayun. Yes, it will be perfect to discuss it. Mabilisan lang to. To
Yes.
plug or to launch. Ano yung mga nakalagay natin dun sa would you do the honors of doing providing information about our BGC?
Yan. Kasi we're right now in the process of talking with BGC Artmart team. So, meron tayong event that will be held sa BGC Artmart grounds near Maybach Theater on November 22 and 23. Ayun, from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. yun. Kasi if nasa labas kayo ng 12 noon, sobrang init. So, like 3 p.m. tayo magsa-start. Ayan. Tapos, may bisqueware painting, hand building, and then meron din latag table doon ng mga ceramics for sale made by yours truly.
Yes, truly. Yeah. So, ayun.
Yun ang ating upcoming event. Tapos,
Details will be posted to our website
Yes.
and also through our
Instagram,
socials,
Instagram,
Instagram and
Facebook.
Facebook. Lalabas naman ito mga to.
Correct.
Yung details. Our initiatives, we'd like to, meron pa kasi yung initiative or maybe I can take care of the, the title of our 4th anniversary is Kabahagi. Where did it, come from?
Where did it originate?
As for me kasi, since we already are, nabibuild na natin yung community natin, we are part of it. Kabahagi. And since nasa 4th year na tayo, we want to extend our gratitude as well. And, to share our knowledge, our talents, our skills to the people that, truly needed it. So, ang Kabahagi it's a program. We are launching the Kabahagi program. It's a support program to those people that having financial difficulties or challenges na gusto talagang matuto ng pottery.
Yes.
So, ayun, we will cascade all the necessary information to our socials kung ano yung mga requirements to join this program. So, we'll be choosing one individual, 18 years old and above, na tuturuan namin to be equipped when it comes to creating pots that maybe could help them to be an artist or to express themselves or even could turn on to be their livelihood.
Yes.
So, ayun, we will give the details very soon, and we will choose every quarter one student that we will extend help. So, yun yung kabahagi.
Yes.
Now, what else pa?
What else?
Ayun, yan. Kasi, nag-restructure tayo ng how the studio is running since I'm already here at Tagaytay.
True.
And I'm managing the Tagaytay studio. And this beautiful studio manager, she's in Quezon City. Nakafocus sila nakafocus kasi sila sa learning, which is our Quezon City studio. And then, sila yung nasa execution part, sa operations. And I'm the one handling sa pre-sales or yung marketing.
Yes.
So,
I think part of our kabahagi would be Glaze Artist Series.
Yeah, the Glaze Artist Series. Yeah.
Plus our caravan.
Our caravan.
Yes.
So the Glaze Artist Series is already running. So you can use the glazes that artists collaborated with us, artist friends.
Yes.
You
These
can
are very good people na gumagawa talaga ng sarili ng version of the glazes.
Yes, correct. And you can use it for free.
Yeah.
Sa studio.
Yeah,
Walang
mag-studio
extra
use lang
cost
kayo.
doon. Mag-studio use lang kayo,
Mag-glaze lang
magpa-fire
kayo.
kayo, whatever.
Correct.
So, ayun. And then, the pottery caravan. This is gonna be on 2026. So, we prepared something for you. And objective nito is to spread awareness that pottery is alive now in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And we wanna do it first sa Metro Manila. So you'll be seeing much of us within Metro Manila, and we might extend to North.
Oh my God, magiging gala tayo.
Yeah, magiging gala tayo. So it's a pottery caravan. So we have about 10 participating cafes.
Yes.
na pag-workshopan natin, and we'll be giving all the details to our website and socials. So please follow our Facebook and Instagram. It's AMT Ceramics. Same as where this podcast is gonna be aired sa YouTube.
Yes.
So ayun.
Okay,
Yeah! Yay!
I think that's
A ba
it.
yun? A.
A.
So, ayun.
That caps it off for
Yes.
this episode.
Anything else that you would like to think?
Everyone.
Everyone. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your continued support
Correct.
since day one.
Yes.
Ako, kapag naiisip ko to, talagang medyo naging emotional ako. I want to thank everyone who made this possible.
True.
And believing with what we do and letting us to share these talents to you.
Yes.
Yeah, kung wala rin naman yung niwala sa atin, we won't be here.
True.
That's true.
So, ayun. Thank you, everyone. At saka yung matatouch pa natin ng mga lives. Salamat. And we're looking forward to that. By the way, my sister, thank you, Intel. to the lights. Yung camping lights natin, thank you. Thank you. Hindi na kami napag-set up ng tent because umulan.
Okay
But
lang.
ang ganda ng
Correct.
ng
They're so
studio ngayon
cute.
because
Correct.
of your camping lights.
Correct.
So, you can follow them as well, Anya Happy Trails.
Oh,
Camping enthusiast.
Cutie!
So, ayun.
Miss mo si Anya, kay Anya, shout out.
Marco and Twinkle and Anya. Ayun, we're good.
We're good.
Yeah.
And for
Alright.
the last time this episode,
Yes.
tayo.
Again.
Hi, I'm Hazel.
Yes.
I'm Kat.
I'm AM Trejo.
I'm Abby.
And thank you for watching
Polycat!
Yeah, we're done.
Yay!
Yeah. Wow, special episodes. Alright, bye. 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 Bye.
Bye!